Hi everyone, welcome to the color combo collaboration. I am a little bit late and I didn't post I think in October and November, but I thought I would come on and do December's. And also I am going to continue this for 2022. I just have to come up with the color chart, which I plan on doing today. And I'll email it out to the existing participants and see if they want to continue. If not, that's fine. In 2022, I'm going to just put hashtag color combo 2022, and anybody that wants to join in after seeing the colors I use can do so, and just let me know in the comments below my video that you've done so we can all find it and participate, share and look at your videos as well. So I just made one card because of course I'm late. Our colors this month were Real Red, Pool Party, and Just Jade. So they're sort of Christmassy colors, but I didn't do Christmas. So let me show you what I did. I used a stamp and die bundle from Stampin' Up! In the annual catalog, the current annual catalog on page 81. It is called Plentiful Plants, and it comes with the Perfect Plants dies in the bundle. And the dies, if you just want them, are on page 160, but the bundle, like I said, and the stamp set are on 81. And this is what it looks like. So, and I use the Bloom Where You Are Planted Designer Series paper, which I actually have not used much of. This color in here is Just Jade. So I used that as my background on a Just Jade card base. And then what I did is I took a piece of, and I wrote this, I measured it and I've forgotten. I believe it is 2.5 by 4 piece of cardstock. I embossed it with the greenery embossing folder, this one here. And then I wrapped a piece of this ribbon around, which is retiring as of January 3rd. It's the Pool Party striped grosgrain ribbon. I have not checked. I apologize to see if it's still available because it's in the last chance, It's part of the Sweet Stocking Suite, which was the kitties and puppies hanging in stockings, which I have, and it's retiring. On page 31 of the August to December 2021 mini catalog. So if you're interested in that, I really like that ribbon. And then of course I stamped on basic white cardstock with Real Red, 2 times this for Just Jade, and 1 time of the pot I used Pool Party, and then I took the Just Jade Stampin' Write marker and just dotted on the dots here to give a little more color on that pot. I know pots can be brown or whatever, and I actually stamped one in brown, and then I decided, actually in cinnamon cider, and I just didn't want to use it, so I, in fact I should cut that out and save it. I decided to just go with the Pool Party, and on this background it was the white paper, and I just took my blending brush and my Pool Party pad, because there's no Pool Party in this paper, and brushed over the embossed piece to give it a little more color and bring out some more Pool Party. And then I stamped with Real Red a little note with the biggest thanks, and I used I never remember the punch names, the tailored tag punch from the annual catalog. Here's the item code 145667 if you are interested in that. And then to embellish, I just used the current 2020 to 2022 in color square gems, and Just Jade is one of them, so I used 2 of the larger and 1 of the other ones. They're square, but if you turn them, they're diamonds, obviously. So we have a diamond on there. And then inside I just used a smaller piece of basic white and a piece of the cardstock and left it blank because it's a thank you note, right? And that is my project for this month for the color combo collab. I think it turned out pretty. I wanted to use this set. At first I was thinking of using the brand new Valentine's set not the set, but the paper, because it had Real Red and Pool Party, but I was having trouble figuring out how to bring in the Just Jade. And let me just see something. That could have worked, but I don't know, I wasn't feeling it. So I went with the plants, and I have a lot of this paper that I need to use. Now, one thing about the paper too, which is available in the manual, as far as I know, it's still available. Some sheets in here, like this one that cuts out with the dies. You know, like the pot will cut out the pot, and there's other planners also that cut out this one and this one. So these three, not this one with the handles on, I don't believe, no. But these three cut out with the dies. And then there's a foliage sheet also that will cut some of these out. Like this one is the one I used. That is Just Jade. I could have done that, but I decided to stamp everything. And I believe this one cuts out this, not this one here, but this one. And this is also on here, right here. So yeah, there's 2 sheets, and you get 2 sheets of each that you can use with the dies from the set. I love that Stampin' Up! Does that, and I do that. I do take advantage of that sometimes, is what I should say. So that is my card. I will put the links to everyone participating now. Paige, Stamp Girl, did just move at the end of November, actually. So I'm sure she's getting, you know, busy getting her house in order. Hopefully everything is okay with her. I do need to contact her and just make sure she's okay. For those of you that have ordered from me in the last 6 months, $35 or more, or 2 months with Paper Pumpkin, and you're still a Paper Pumpkin customer, and you didn't select no contact, because I'm not allowed to mail you things and stuff if you selected no contact. In the privacy rules, right? Anyway, I sent out the new January to June mini catalog and the celebration brochure, and they went in USPS priority mails, and that was before, oh gosh, when was it? It was a week or so ago. Anyway, yeah, I think it was on the 13th. That I mailed them. It was before Christmas for sure. So you should have them by now. If you don't and you think you should have gotten one, I do have extra catalogs. Please contact me in email. My email, it should be down below the videos always. Also, this is the last day to use this host code if you order anything for Last Chance. And tomorrow I will put up a video. I will change this and announce it both in my Facebook page, group, and here on YouTube what the new one will be for January. Okay? All right, everyone. Take care. Have a wonderful January. Happy New Year. Be safe. And hugs, love, and peace. Bye for now.